In this video, I am going to show you how to delete or close your Payoneer account. Before you delete an account on this payment platform, withdraw any funds to your bank account. You should remember that the money you have left will be inaccessible once the account is deleted. Next, you should deal with pending transactions by either completing or cancelling them. 2. Close your account. The Payoneer deletion process involves sending a request to customer support. Sign in to your Payoneer account with your password and a code if you enable two-factor authentication. Go to the Help tab at the top right and choose Support Center, Home from the list. Select My Payoneer account and click Close or Reopen account in the panel on the left. Choose I wish to close my account and read the precautions. To proceed, you should click the Contact Us button and complete a feedback from where you state why you want to close your account. The last step is to click Submit. Your request will be sent to customer support. After you send the request to customer support, it will be reviewed. You should have received a confirmation letter from your request or email that you have attached to your account. In most cases, the account will be successfully closed in a few days. If there are any issues, you will be contacted by the support team. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. In this video,